Huh? Eh, not on the 51st day of our sitting demonstration, and also on the historic day of celebration of Republic Day, when the whole country and the whole nation is witnessing historic celebration. Today on the street of Agartala city, Tripura, 10,323 teachers are relentlessly agitating, in a sense, organizing sitting demonstration here for the last 50 days, and today we are on the 51st day of our sitting demonstration. On behalf of Joint Movement Committee 10,323, I extend my regards and also consider this Republic Day, at least personally for me, it should not be called as a celebration. For me, I consider this as a black day, and it is a hamper or a destruction that is caused to the democratic rights of every citizen of this country. Aboni bagai antini haina hai jotono sara desho sini Bharat hakotoro je jago jotono Constitution Day অথবা প্রজাতন্ত্র দিবস নিছেন যে জায়গা পালন খালাই দङ ও পালন খালাই মানে ইয়াগুলো তিনি आं हायनो हाय of 51 days 51st days ni angै JMC মঞ্চনি হয়তো आं সাকলাইনা মুচুঙ্गो যে जों रिपब्लिक डे no at least on my part personally I cannot take it as a part of the celebration. आं want to go or celebration na आं consider खायो अब काइसा black day नै सिनि democratic right सिनि constitutional right তাই চিনি যত মানথাই সপ্তাহে রগ্ন অবাইকে বঞ্চিত ক্লাইমান বাগে আং তিনি অমঞ্চনে হইতে সাকলাইনা মুচুঙ্গো that today we celebrate Republic Day as a black day. Tamni bagai chung black day ngake tamni why do we consider this as a black day? I know there will be a lot of allegation on my part. It should not be an it is not a constitutional right, fundamental right. A healthy citizen, a healthy individual will not say this day as a black day because when the whole nation celebrates this day as a historic one, we feel that we are deprived of the main fundamental rights, that is Article 14 and Article 16. Article 14 says of the Indian Constitution rights to equality. Where is rights to equality? Did 10,323 teachers get the right to equality? It is against the Constitution of India. I would say it is against the Constitution of India framed by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Why? Taking back to the legal matters, taking back to the whole scenario, taking back to the whole story of 10,000, entire episode of 10,323 teachers, we are being terminated as a result of the verdict and judgment of Supreme Court and Honorable High Court. Now, the court pronounced that 2003 revised employment policy was illegal, right? We do agree that 2003 employment policy was illegal. Why? Only 2010 and 2014 should be affected. Why pick and choose policies done on behalf of 10,323 teachers? Many departments, many teachers, many of our colleagues who are government employees once upon a time were all recruited through the process of 2003 revised employment policy. Now, our simple question, our simple queries we had been asking from the first day of this demonstration was why pick and choose policies should be done only to 2010 appointed teachers and 2014 appointed teachers. There, I should question the Constitution. I should say that right to equality was not done to all the innocent teachers who are sitting here. My dear fellow publics, my dear police personnel, my dear all colleagues who are here, and all the healthy society, organizations and everyone who are listening to me, I'd like to just ask one question. Today we do all celebrate and commemorate the importance of Constitution, the importance of Republic Day. But I do feel that 10,323 teachers are deprived, and we feel that we are not part of this citizen. We feel that we are not part of this nation. Because in a healthy nation, in a democratic nation, in a healthy situation where democracy prevails, there we think that every constitutional right is a part of fundamental duties. Every constitutional right is a part of every citizen's availability. But in our case, that deprivation is still existing till today, and we had been demonstration. We had been sending our voice, we had been raising our voice from the first day of this demonstration itself. But till today, neither the government representative, neither the state administration, or even the Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable Education Minister, and all the cabinet minister didn't turn up to ask our queries and to make a permanent solution. Now let me say again, this is also an injustice done to 10,323, because right to employment of job that was framed in a constitution of Article 16. Article 16 says right to equality, right to opportunity, equal opportunity in terms of public employment, and any discrimination should not be done in cases like race, sex, religion, or caste and creed factor, and so and so. But today I can say from this platform that these 10,323 teachers are deprived from right to equal employment opportunity, because there were maximum employees, maximum government employees who were appointed due to the frame policy of 2003 revised employment policy. My all dear fellow police personnel are here watching me, seeing this agitation. Go and ask them in which regime, in which government, through which employment policy did they get their job. They would say, they would admit, they will accept that they got their job, they got their employment by owing to the condition of 2003 revised employment policy. But the interesting part is that we are here raising our voice, agitating that we are not being terminated. We are terminated due to technical irregular confusions, misinterpretation of the judgment of the Honorable High Court and Supreme Court judgment. There were many statements, I would say there were assumption that these 10,323 teachers were illegally terminated. Even our Honorable Education Minister was saying in different interval, in different places, he was saying that we are terminated due to the a judgment given by the Honorable Supreme Court and the Honorable High Court. Now, our simple question, our simple submission to the Honorable High Court and Supreme Court was, where did you get the number 10,323 teachers? Where did you get our illegalities? Where did you get our fault? That you had been simply unknowingly or knowingly, intentionally or not intentionally, you have deprived us of the Article 16 that today the whole nation is celebrating for. Though I would consider this Republic Day for us as a black day, but my humble submission, my humble gratitude and my humble prayer and my humble acknowledgement to the renowned person, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who framed this constitution, keeping in mind all the poor, all the weaker section, all the section of the society and of the country, keeping in mind right to equality and right to equal opportunity of employment. But in our case, this is really totally, I would say, we don't agree with the celebration that today the whole state and the entire nation is celebrating about. Now, going to the recent scenario, going to the recent situation that today we are here on the 51st day, 51 day of our agitation is that department we had sought different times. Even we have met the Honorable Director of Secondary Education. Even we have gone and met Honorable Secretary of Education Department. Just with one simple statement, with simple queries, one simple question was that on what account, on what reason, on what ground did you terminate all these 10,300 teachers? We had been raising our voice even through this platform. We had been asking the department, the government, everyone, but none of them can really answer or come to our statement, can't give a reply to our statement on what queries we are asking. That is why today I would say not only these 10,300 teachers are supporting us, there are many publics, many society, many organizations who are helping us in one way or the other, helping us in a sense, not physically, not anything, but mentally. We are getting the support of all the public of this state. That is why I would say from this platform that we are proud and we express our acknowledgement, gratitude to each and every one of the public in the society that today you all are supporting us, because there is a truth behind this. When there is a truth, that truth cannot be hidden. Truth can be hidden for a temporary days, temporary times, but that truth will not remain hidden unless and until there is some justification between or justice done to these 10,300 teachers. We had been asking the department, but till today they were giving tentative promises that they will be replying us within stipulated time, but till today we did not get any reply, any answer from that. Now, going to the legal, let me express my few views, opinions regarding my legal understanding, that as a simple layman, what do I understand with the legal judgment that was pronounced by the High Court and the Supreme Court was, in nowhere of the judgment 10,323 teachers should be affected was written, but Education Department did it and terminate us. That was illegal. That was illegal. That is why we are protesting till today. The honorable judgment of Sri Deepak Gupta in 2014, 7 May 2014, it was clearly written that in the para 127, since the judgment don't want to affect the large number of categories, they had specifically mentioned that those teachers who are not challenged, their termination should not be affected. That same para 127 was a leading story, breaking news, and even owing to that, many of even there were at different times there were talk show, there were interpretation, even there were interpretation done by the society, by the public, by the students, by the learned intellectuals who do understand what was 127, and they all feel that there is some justice, there is some point which should be noted and which should be taken by the department. That support, that legal justification was done on our behalf. Even we can witness few days ago, many writers, many lawyers association, many journalist fraternity, many political organizations have raised their voice, have written a letter to the Honorable Chief Minister, raising our concern, raising our support, supporting us, and trying to sort out or trying to bring some permanent solution. They have requested to the Honorable Chief Minister, but I don't know why our Honorable Chief Minister, who just stays in a residence from this spot, which was just a walkable distance, is not even listening to the simple questions, simple queries that we had been raising from the first day of this demonstration. Now again, not to blame the previous government also, but there were many a times our case through different SLP, different read, we had been approaching the court at different times. We have witnessed also what was the court justification regarding 127. But do we all agree that our job, that our employment should be affected if we look in the judgment of Honorable High Court? No, we can't agree. That is why we are still sitting today. Till today, we are getting a mass support, and I do tell you that people are really struggling and people are really finding their tough ways in coming here. I do understand there were few of my teachers, few of my affected teachers who don't have even a car fare to come to this spot, to come to this agitation. I have witnessed, I have come across these sort of teachers who have really shared their pathetic stories with me. And my due respect to each and every one of them, don't lose hope. Don't lose hope. There will be ways. There will be ways out. There will be way out. We shall overcome, and there will be always a solution when we are not, when we don't have any fault in our side. The previous government had approached the Honorable Supreme Court, raising concern on our behalf, but they did not highlight 127 para. They have highlighted only 123 para, categorically asking solution on humanitarian ground. The court did not find fit to reply to the approach, to reply to the state government. So maybe 127 was not interpreted even in those days properly. Now again in Sanjay Karol judgment also 127 was interpreted or was justified by the honorable judge, the then judge of High Court of Tripura. But after that, our demand, our approach, our justice did not remain confined only to the honorable High Court. Thereafter, we went to the Supreme Court. Again, due to many SLPs and due to many technical problems, 127 was not interpreted, was not justified properly. And thereafter, again, many a times, even till today, we have many court cases pending in the Honorable High Court, just seeking one thing, one sole aim, that is justice to be rendered on behalf of 10,323 teachers. We have got the assurance even from the Honorable Chief Minister also. Today we celebrate Constitutional Day, Republic Day. The constitutional head of the state have given a verbal commitment, verbal promises that within 2 months 10,323 case will be solved. 2 months have exceeded, 2 months have passed, but till today no representative or no solution, nothing healthy was thought from the government side. And that is why I would say it is a pitiful incident, pitiful scenario that all these 10,323 teachers are facing a lot. Aboni bagai ang jotono kobognamuसँग tini tabuk porjonto jara phaya kor sini 10,300 teachers songang kobog noro kha thuina kरै nogo asogoi niji no guilty niji no angno chaya ni employment chini revised employment policy chaya hanai asogoi nogo chupchap kha asogoi tongoi labung lak ongkhor de phaide nijini man thaino niji lorai khaina bagai जों आदाय खायनामनि बागै जों निजे साक no जों लराय खायना नांगौ जों नगो हायना आसगै तंगै चिनिया मान थायनो चिनिया जोंनो जे जों माना तंमाने आबनो जों चुपचाप नगा आसगै तंगागै जों मांगला फायदे अंगर दे जों माय बाक्सा फायदे ताबो पन्द जरा तंगौ चिनि अल्टिमेट एक्सट्रीम चिनि एजिटेशन डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन जों थानानै नाय तंलायो आबनि बागै खाजनि ताखौतै बुक सुनां कबगो नरक नगो हायनो एरें आसगै तंलायै tai chini o man thaino जों आदाय खायमांला अंखर दे फायदे chini choba कोविनि choba जों एरें choba जों ख्लाया जों एरें chini उनो साख्रि मारनाय हायनो जोंनो इंटरभिउ सारा साख्रि मारनाय नै आबनि बागै जों एरें जों लराय खाया chini लराय chini choba अंखा कोविनि लराय जोंनो इलिगेलि बाबे साख्रि टर्मिनेट ख्लायो कोनो सेल्फ डिफेंस खायनायनि बागै कोर्टनि हयते जोंनो कागज मानिया ani bumung tonmoy nat case ni read petition bo bumung krei Supreme Court ni SLP bo ani bumung krei judgment bo ani bumung krei High Court ni ba Supreme Court ni kono jaga bo ani bumung krei hingga kai bahai ke ani chakri effect man bahai ke ano chakri chai mangkha aboni bagai department ni dai department tini joratei 84 jona borok thoi tongo o borok ni thimung ni dai sabo nanai department dai abo department ni bul ni karone tini changasek joratei innocent lives 84 innocent life jotono tini जोंनो संसारनि याखारि कालां थांका abo norok khairo gede abo norok najjoni norok wanchu gede you don't consider this as a legal point you don't justify all these things are being done in a illegal basis to us khata thidi phaide tabok bo jora tongkho tamni hinmale chini o choba kubui ni choba जों haino ereng ereng जोंनो marnai hini saya karon last talk chini honorable শিক্ষা মন্ত্রী bo bar bar bibhinno jagao even 10323 ni program mangthang program yawi bo bar bar no saitang otam honei o 10323 ni borono sung dissolve khainai oino government department without interview without direct recruitment nai chung bongno chung borokno जों मानबिक दृष्टिभंगि निया जों बरकनो जों रिहेबिलिटेशन खालायनाय हनै बार साव हंगा आ कक सामुं रक बियां should we consider that our statement rok abo kaisa just a clown statement should we consider that statement was just for a fun should we consider all those statements all those promises that you have given to all these 10,023 teachers was a joke Is it a joke? Obo blaike chini Tripura basi nugoi tongo je borongno 2 mas ni bising renai borongni interview sara renai tamo renai hene sai tongo abo ke chesengra kok khoroksa sangbidanik head constitutional head bobai kok sai tongo abo जों mani naimia ebong chini sara Tripura basi rok borok abono mani wi naimia tamnin ke obai kaisa constitutional head of obai kok saitong puru it means a lot kabama jonosadarono effect khayo horoksa representative obai kok sakake abo जों mani nai menya aboni bagai khajani takhoktai bukhok song nor tabbo nogo tabuk ja asuk tongkho kha thina krei chini lorai tabuk bo jaring tongo and ango platform ni hoite joint movement committee ni member ngai ang jotono kobong namu sungo nogo ereng asugoi thinani joraya nogo ereng asugoi chop chap tongnani joraya ongkhor de phaidi somai baksa tong phaidi naidi जों ekdin chini chakri manai no जों nogo phirok nai जों puila din ni simeno जों saitongo joint movement committee जों jotoni bagaino जों lorai khainai jotoni nono जों nyai renai jotoni nukhungono जों moni mung jesek mansak जों tubuna nanai जों aboni bagai जों lorai khai tongo thuya chaya ok kasangma jorao when the temperature is pura low below apro porjonto we did not lose our hope and we will not lose our hope till we get our ultimate solution and permanent solution aboni bagai khajane tauktai bukjang khata thai phaide ongkhode chungmai baksa tongo chini thanio kubui tongma bagai जोंनो tabuk porjonto kebo kono khaimeko ar chini lorayo chini agitation tabuk porjonto kebo proshnobodak chinno rimeko agini jorabo saimia bororok saimia reality tamo borok baike chakri thangka ereng haino sairayo CPM chakri no illegal hene borok declare khaireka no tabuk just small question small proshno o police personnel yang buskang basanai borokhe CPM ni amalo chakri meda borokhe porikha reja chakriman borokhe baike chakriman obahai proshno khaina thanga kabang ma tongo tabuk kabang ma department PWD department health department education department kabang ma samaj kalyan department obahai department ko kabang ma borok tongo tabuk chakri khlai tongo borokhe bo jugo chakri khlai borokhe samne jugo chakriman bo employment policy bai borok chakriman nggak punishment nggak tangi pick and choose na sibing nanang 10/14 simi abone bagai जों nahari maya जों mani maya bakhano tak porjonto bakha tabuk porjonto gosiya ko jesini chakri thangka nei abone bagai bibhinno samoyo जों department no thangai na जों saneyo clarification ri जोंनो clarification ri jedin clarification rimano जोंनो जों abo jodi logic abo jodi kahamani wansukake जों apro जों ongkhori thangpainai basai thangpainai kintu जों clarification maya sak जोंनो नरक specific reason saya sak state government tai department specific reason saya sak जों बासाग्लाक अ जागानि जों बासाग्लाक जों अरन तंनाय आबनि बागै जतननो कबग खाथैनानै क्रೈ जतननो जोंनि एजिटेशन में बाक्सा फाइजी जों थानसाके लड़ाई खायनाय जों एकदिन ने एकदिन जों सियर जों मानाय हाबो सावैनो आं जतननो हायनो हाय ताइ बिसोर जतननो जॉइंट मूवमेंट कमिटी नेंगै खापांनि हामजाक बुं ताइ रिपाब्लिक दिनि चिबायाफोर हामबाय